Welcome back to the channel, fitness enthusiasts. By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of effective calisthenics skills progression that can take your fitness journey to the next level. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, remember, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Alright, let's get started with some quick tips on progressing your calisthenics skills effectively. 1. Master the basics. The foundation of any calisthenics progression is mastering the basics. Focus on perfecting fundamental movements like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and dips. These exercises build the strength and muscle control needed for more advanced skills. 2. Consistent practice. Consistency is key in calisthenics. Set a regular workout schedule and stick to it, even on days when motivation is low. A short session can maintain your progress and keep your muscles engaged. 3. Gradual progression. Progression in calisthenics should be gradual. Increase the difficulty of exercises step by step. For example, if you're working on push-ups, start with knee push-ups, then move to regular push-ups, and eventually try decline or one-arm push-ups. 4. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial to avoid injuries and maximize the benefits of your workouts. Pay attention to your body's alignment and movement. Use mirrors or record yourself to ensure you're performing exercises correctly. 5. Incorporate variations. Adding variations to your exercises can prevent plateaus and keep your workouts interesting. Try different grips, angles, and tempos. For instance, vary your pull-ups by using wide grip, close grip, or mixed grip. 6. Utilize negative reps, negative repetitions, or eccentric training. Involve focusing on the lowering phase of an exercise. This technique builds strength and control. For example, slowly lower yourself from the top position of a pull-up. 7. Train multiple muscle groups. Calisthenics is a full body workout. Ensure you're targeting different muscle groups to achieve balanced strength. Incorporate exercises for the upper body, lower body, and core. Stay dedicated. Keep pushing your limits, and enjoy the journey of becoming stronger and more skilled with calisthenics. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and inspiration. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. See you in the next video.